With the SCD Sensor, we simplify the way you can capture, store, and visualize data at short notice and without any programming. After unpacking the sensor, scan the QR code to download the app. Activate the sensor by push and release. When it lights up, it is in pairing mode. Afterwards, you can attach the wireless sensor to the monitored object using screws or the self-adhesive surface. Open the app to read out the data. Via the search button, you can display all sensors in the immediate surroundings and select the relevant sensor. The proximity function makes the sensor, which is directly next to your phone, show up as the first one. In order to simplify this process in the future, you can change the sensor name in the settings. The streaming function sends sensor values with a fixed sampling rate to the app. The values can be visualized with the button Diagram. The record button is used to record data, therefore the current values are displayed under the individual icons. By clicking on a specific icon, data is displayed in the diagram. The temperature sensor identifies temperature changes and instrument drifts, helping you to measure the temperature profiles of your equipment to then benchmark the performance. The magnetometer identifies current peaks and magnetic disturbances outside your selected range. The accelerometer records shock and vibrations up to 6.4 kHz. By comparing the mean and variance of signals in different times, deviations in your machine behavior can be measured. The digital light sensor is used to detect changes in light, for example, to detect access in closed rooms, such as a switch cabinet. Raw data is stored in the SCD memory and can be transferred to the app later. To start the logging process, please press the logging button. Here you can also set sampling rates before the logging starts. To download the data, press the download button. The data can then be sent as CSV file via email. The threshold functionality monitors the streamed or logged values and triggers alarms on BLE, corresponding to when values are outside the defined range. To configure the threshold values, go to the Settings button. To protect the sensor battery, always remember to disconnect your phone from the sensor using the Disconnect button after using the app.